sacred halls where silence lives, now chaos calls. The glow screams, the kids all stare. In digital worlds they're unaware. Keys click clack, their laughter flies. Her patience frays, her spirit sighs. Goddamn shit, her voice explodes. The curse breaks loose, her rage unloads. Static rises where silence dies. Curses echo beneath the skies. In the library's depths, her voice collides with noise that never subsides. Keep it down, she pleads, her voice unsteady. But the kids don't hear, they're chaos ready. Minecraft wars, YouTube screams. A techno hell infects her dreams. Fuck, can't you? God damn it, stop. The words break free, her heart might pop. Her hands grip tight to the car she steers. Her whispered curses meet deaf ears. Static rises where silence dies. Curses echo beneath the skies. In the library's depths, her voice collides with noise that never subsides. The hum of screens, the clatter of keys, their restless energy brings her to her knees. She dreams of books of hollow ground, but all she hears is the maddening sound. Shit, fuck, please keep it quiet. Her place is off in their endless ride between Tourette's and their ceaseless din. She wonders where the peace begins. In the stacks where whispers should reign, the noise of the screens drives her insane. Jeanette fights a losing fight in the glow of screens beneath cold light. Fuck, shut up! Her soul laid bare, the kids don't listen, they don't care. The library screams, its silence drowned. In Jeanette's curse, the noise resounds. A voice that plays her voice. All the words might say, her heart might pop. The word breaks screams beneath cold light. Oh, can you, goddammit, stop? The words break free, her heart might pop. Her hands grip tight to the car she steers. Her whispered curses meet deaf ears. Her whispered curse. Her whispered curses, the hum of screens, the clatter of keys. Their restless energy brings her to her knees. She dreams of books of hallowed ground, but all she hears is the maddening sound. Shit, fuck, please keep it quiet. Her place is all in there and like pop. Her hands grip tight to the car she steers. Her whispered curses meet deaf ears. In whispered curses meet deaf ears. But all she hears is the maddening sound. Shit, fuck, please keep it quiet. Her pleas dissolve in their endless riot between Tourette's and their ceaseless din. She wonders where the peace begins.